Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to consider about the limit on the left and the limit on the right. So about on the left, we know that this the absolute value in here, that is about negative s minus number 5, because this is about the negative for the absolute value s minus number 5. Number 5 in here is smaller than number 5 in here. That's why we have negative of this one. Now we simplify and we have 5 over 3. Because this one divide this one, we have number 1. Negative cancel negative. That's why we have 5 over 3. About on the right. On the right of this one, we have s minus number 5 in here. That is the positive of s minus number 5. So we simplify and we have negative number 5 over 3. And we can see that on the left, on the right, they have different numbers in here. So because on the left is not same with on the right, so we can say that the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.